guys, welcome back. So what I have for you guys today is a quick Charlotte Tilbury unboxing. All right guys, so this is the Charlotte Tilbury Gift of Pillow Talk Eyes and Lips. So honestly, if you guys know me, you know that what drew me into this was that pink bag. So this is another bag of dreams. I believe it's just like the other one that I have. Where's the other one? I have the other one, but I don't know where I put it. So I have like that dark, I have the other bag of dreams, which is like the dark burgundy color one, which I love, but you know that pink is the love of my life. I have a feeling that I have everything that this bag brings. So we'll see. Let me see. It's the Pillow Talk Luxury Palette. This will be my third extra that I'm gonna have. I already have the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat, the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution Lipstick, and I have all of that, guys. I have all of these things, but I'm gonna show you so you guys can see. Look how beautiful this bag is. Like, come on now. Yeah, it's just like the other bag of dreams. This is what it looks like on the inside. Oh my God, but look at the details on this one. So it says Charlotte Tilbury with pink hearts, and it says Pillow Talk. Guys, I've showed you the luxury palette plenty of times. Let's show it to you again. So the Pillow Talk Luxury Palette. I know I have mine. I should have just showed you mine. So that's what it looks like. Very beautiful palette. Then we have the Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. I've already shown this to you guys as well. I have these in minis. I just got a full size in my recent PR unboxing. So this is an extra full size. I need to definitely do a giveaway, guys. Like now, like this is a sign. I need to do a giveaway. And then this is the Pillow Talk lipstick, which I've also shown you guys. So yeah, basically this was meant for me just to keep the bag and to do a giveaway for you guys with the products. So that's what that looks like. Now I have to decide whether I'm going to be doing a single giveaway or if I'm gonna be, you know, like a whole thing of everything, or if I'm gonna be separating the products. I don't know, maybe I can have more than one winner. So that would be good. Stay tuned for that. You guys know I used to do so many giveaways back in the day. Love giving back. So you guys know how I am with that. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I love you so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, my loves.